Caleb, a curious West Siberian Laika, loved exploring the futuristic city. One day, he heard a small beep coming from an alley filled with old gadgets. He sniffed around and discovered a tiny broken robot, its lights flickering weakly. "Oh no, you need help," Caleb said, gently nudging the robot with his nose. Determined to fix it, Caleb carried the robot to his workshop. He placed the robot on his workbench and inspected its gears and circuits. Caleb remembered the repair book he had read and flipped through the pages. "Let's see, you need a new power cell," Caleb exclaimed. He searched through his spare parts bin and found a small glowing battery. Carefully, Caleb connected the wires and inserted the new power cell. Beep! The robot's eyes lit up, and it wiggled its tiny arms. It worked! Caleb cheered, wagging his tail with excitement. The robot tried to stand but wobbled and fell over. We need to adjust your balance system," Caleb said, thinking hard. He attached small stabilizing wheels to help the robot move steadily. The robot rolled forward, its arms spinning with joy. "You did it!" Caleb laughed as the robot beeped happily. Together, they tested the robot's new functions, making sure everything worked. Caleb and his robot friend explored the city, showing off their teamwork. The robot beeped cheerfully, grateful for Caleb's kindness. "You're my best invention yet," Caleb said, giving the robot a playful nudge. As the sun set, Caleb and the robot watched the city lights glow. They had worked together to fix something broken, and that made Caleb proud. Tomorrow, they would find even more adventures in their high-tech world.